Hi.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. Let me have a glass of whiskey, please.
Whiskey. Do you want it with ice?
Yes, please. Thank you. Yes. Hi.
Hi.
Can I sit with you, please?
Sure. Okay. Why the look?
I've never seen you here before.
Mm.
Are you new?
Yes, I hardly come here.
I see. I'm glad you hardly come here.
Why is that?
Because I feel like a lucky guy today.
Please stop flattering me.
I mean, you're so beautiful. I can't help it.
I don't do well with flatters, I beg.
Would you like more?
Nah, not at all. I can't even finish this.
Too bad. You seem like you can take a lot more.
I'm very lightheaded.
You seem very loaded. Your body doesn't seem lightweight at all.
Who is this guy?
I'm sure Chris Brown was singing about you.
Really?
Your body lightweight.
Okay. Thank you for the compliment.
It's the truth. It's not a compliment.
Okay.
Please, don't do that. When I'm here.
No, you don't have to.
I want to.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So I'm an engineer.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well,
Yes.
I'm a chef.
Chef.
Mm-hmm. Wait, are you surprised?
Well,
What?
I am surprised. What restaurant?
The popular Mims restaurant, Lekki.
Well, I'll be sure to be there sometime.
You should. I promise you'd love it there. Okay. Thank you very much for sorting the bill, but I have to run along now.
Can I get your number?
I don't have a phone. It's bad.
Oh.
Yeah. See you around, Philip.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, I am Smith Williams from Enjoyment Korea Company.
Okay.
Okay, I'm looking for one Messi Atang, a chef in this restaurant.
I hope there's no problem.
No, not at all. I have a package for her.
Oh, okay. I'll just get her for you.
Okay.
Right.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
How may I help you?
I have a delivery for you.
For me?
Yes.
From who?
From Mr. Philip.
Philip.
Yes. And I also need you to sign here and here, ma'am.
Okay. You're sure this is for me?
Definitely.
Right. Thank you.
I'll be leaving.
Messi!
I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting.
No, it's okay. Please sit. Hi.
Hi.
Wow. Thank you. Sorry about that.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming. I was getting worried there.
Thank you for having me. Thank you so much for the gift. I wasn't expecting it.
There's no way in hell I would let such a beautiful woman like you go a day without a phone.
Thank you. And I really love it.
By the way, you look amazing.
Thank you. I tried.
No, you more than
You
tried.
look so good
Oh,
too.
please, you're flattering me. You're flattering me. By the way, what do you want to drink?
Let me have...
I think I have an idea. Waiter, get her that Long Island Sex on the Beach mix.
Okay.
You're gonna like it.
Okay, let's see.
I hope you do.
It.
In fact, I bet you would.
Okay. Let me try it. Okay.
Thank you. No? Yes? A green?
Wow.
A red? Wow. You like
This is so good.
I told you. I told you.
What did you put in this? Guy, what did you put in here? It's so good. I can see watermelon.
Some magic potion.
I don't know what this is, but it's really good. I love it.
I'm glad you do. So cheers.
Really nice. Cheers.
So how's your day been?
Good. Work. But I'm off today though.
Good, I'm lucky. So I have you all to myself. Huh?
Well, I'm
Well,
not sure about that.
yeah, we'll find out. We'll see.
Why are you looking at me?
You somewhere to go?
Oh, yes. I have to go prep for the birthday party that I have tomorrow.
Oh, you do outdoor chef work.
Of course I do.
Impressive.
Some extra cash on the side isn't a bad idea.
Hustler.
What can a girl do?
I'm impressed. I'm very impressed.
Thank you.
All right then. Bill, please.
Nope. This time around, I'm paying.
No. I'm a gentleman. I will pay.
I insist. Please, can I have the bill?
Okay.
Thank you. Wow. Okay. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I like that.
You're really kind.
Oh, come on. I think you deserve it.
Thank you.
So, can I get your number now?
Well, you have to beg me.
Beg you.
Of course you can.
Please.
You can.
Please. So do I take? Okay.
There you go.
So shall we?
We shall. Please help me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ha! How can one drink be so expensive? That small drink. Ha! Mercy! You should have allowed the gentleman pay when he offered to pay. Oh no, he wanted to do big girl. Now see. And money that I don't have, I've just wasted it for nothing. Well, at least I got a gig from it. I just hope they pay good money, because I don't have time. Merci, 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 merci.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you. Your friend likes rose petals?
Very funny. I hope she does.
Oh,
You look nervous.
me?
Yeah.
No, I'm just...
Actually, there's no birthday party.
What?
Yeah, I'm sorry I lied to you.
I still don't understand what you're talking about. I mean...
So this is my home. I wanted to invite you over, but I was afraid you wouldn't oblige my invitation.
So you resorted to this? All of this?
I can take these things to the fridge if you want. Look,
Philip, what?
Mercy. I'm sorry I lied to you. But I needed alone time with you.
What for?
Because I like you. From the very moment I set my eyes on you, I liked you. And I want to pursue something serious with you.
You don't even know me.
Well, I want to know you. And I want you to know me too, but that can only happen if you give us a chance. Please.
You cook really good.
What can I say? For you, I'll give the best.
I see someone has got lines.
It's not lines, per se. It's how I truly feel inside. I really, really, really like you a lot. Eat your food. You need to decide if you're eating your food or you want to eat me.
What?
Yeah, you gotta
Stop.
decide.
You're trying to take my job. This is my job.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So welcome to my bedroom.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is really nice and spacious.
I know. I like it like that.
I see.
Just the way I like it.
You engineers are the ones making all the money in Lagos. I mean, look at this place.
I don't know about that, but we do make a pretty decent living.
Proud.
Yeah. So, Messi,
Yep.
it's nice to meet you.
Same here.
I hope you had a good time.
I had a wonderful time. Thank you.
No, thank you.
I think we should go back downstairs.
Okay. Will you lead the way?
Come and tell me this. Come on, just me. How was it? How was the party? Were there eligible bachelors? Were there a lot of fine guys? Because I knew.
Auntie, rest. There was no party.
I don't understand.
He lied about the party just to get me to come to his house.
I still don't understand.
Philip, he lied about the party because he wanted us to have a long time together and didn't know how to say it because he thought I was going to say no. So he had to use the party as an excuse to make me come to his house. Can you imagine?
I knew that guy was such a hopeless romantic. It looks and sounds like a fairy tale love. He asked you to be his girlfriend, right? I knew he was going to ask you to be his girlfriend.
He didn't ask me to be his girlfriend. Besides, you know I'm very skeptical about forging into a new relationship because of...
Mercy, I beg, eh? I don't know what else you want this guy to do to prove to you that he likes you. He has shown you that he likes you. Besides, all men are not the same. Look, you've been single for so many years. Just give this guy a chance.
I know, but...
No but, Mercy. All I want you to tell me is that you are going to give this guy a chance.
Babe, we just met. I don't know him. He doesn't know me that much. And you want us to just enter a relationship just like that after how many weeks?
Yes, we are saying the same thing. Actually, see, two of you will get to know yourselves inside the relationship. You have to be inside first.
Man. Uche, your blood today hot.
I'm just looking out for you.
Out for you. Anyway, Sha. We kissed.
Wait. How was it? Is his lips soft? Because it looks soft.
Are you mad? Don't ask me.
Wait, stop. Wait, tell me. You have to gist me.
So you want me to gist
How was it? Did he put his tongue?
Good afternoon. A gift from Mr. Philip.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You like what you see?
Okay.
My humble abode.
No, there's nothing humble about this house.
You think so?
Same way there's nothing humble about you. And you couldn't afford a phone.
Stop.
I gotta go now.
Okay.
I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
All right. I love you.
I love you more.
Let me help you. Okay. Bye. I wish you could stay too. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Wait. How long have you been standing there?
Long enough to see how you both were all over each other. You really like this guy?
I do.
Okay, so you really deserve every bit of happiness that you get.
Oh, thank you, my darling friend.
But you're really lucky. I really, really envy you. Because that kind of guy is rare to find. A guy that accepted everything about you, everything that comes with you. Rare. Wait, Mercy. You haven't told him?
I just...
No, Mercy. You cannot keep such an important information away from him.
Babe, I just met this guy. I'll tell him at the right time. I don't want to rush things.
There is no rushing here. There is no right time here. This guy is head over heels in love with you. This is the right time to tell him anything you want to tell him.
Don't worry, okay? I've got this. When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it. For now, I just want to be the happy girl that I am.
This is risky.
The happy girl in love. It makes me so happy.
This girl has got to be kidding me. No.
Hey, Joey, my man. How far now? Were you planning to surprise me or what? Oh, for real? Alright now, I dey house, they come. They come. Alright man, safe. Yeah.
Wow.
What's they doing?
Everywhere need to. What's happening? You.
Joe. This guy.
Everywhere clean.
And so.
What did they happen?
Waiting
What did they happen, man? See even pictures.
This guy.
You are in pictures, two flower. Philip, you.
This guy, I beg. Make you just free me right now.
Tell me. A woman is involved in this thing. Who be that woman?
If a woman is involved, and so what?
No dust. Introduce me now.
Introduce you, fire. No be you again. My friend, drink your drink.
Filippo, you arrange the house.
Joey man. Joey man.
Hey!
Bro, cheers to
Now cheers to women involvement in cleaning the house.
Yes. Amen. And may you find your own soon.
Why? I'm not leaving this town without that girl. Oh boy. So how is this guy? I heard his mom has been sick though.
You know you haven't given me a response yet.
A response to what?
Will you be my girlfriend?
I don't know.
Listen, I don't know if this is going too fast. And I don't want you to feel like it's sudden. But Mercy, I've fallen head over heels in love with you. I am so in love with you. Like, nothing will make me happier than hearing you say that you are mine. So please, I need this. I need you.
And you promise not to hurt me?
I won't.
Are you sure? Okay. Then it's a yes. I will be your girlfriend.
Yes! Yes! Yeah! Oh, baby, I love you so much. I love you so much. You don't have to say it. You don't have to say it back. Take your time. And, think about it before you say
Okay.
it.
Thank you for understanding.
Good night, my love.
All right. Good night.
I go love.
Stop.
Look at the see how your voice is so soft.
I am officially taken.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Oh wow, look at this guy. This guy has brought out all your glow.
You like him though?
Sure. I like him now. As long as you like him, me too, I like him. I'm so happy for you.
Okay.
I wanted to even show you something. Look.
From the look of things, she doesn't know you too well. You haven't told her?
Just for now. I'll tell her, but not now.
This thing is gonna sting you, bro. I think it's better you tell them on time. At least so they can decide if they want to be with you or not. All this hide and seek, will help. Oh.
Guy, I love this girl so much. Okay? She's exactly my type of woman. She's my spec, my full spec. I don't want anything to ruin it.
You love her?
I would tell her, but not be now. I love her, yes.
Okay. Oh. Love 120.
I'm coming, no, before you break the door down. Babe, is that you? Babe.
Why you keep your key for the mouth now? I've been trying to open the door.
I beg, don't start.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you too. Why are you here? I thought you were not coming back to this house again.
Why not go come back? See, babe, you don't even understand what's happening. You missed though. You'd have followed me to this party. Sunday parties are always lit. A lot of happening guys.
I thought say if I no come back now.
This one you're even dressing up this early. Now this time we don't start the resume work.
Babe, they said we should come early today because the new head chef is coming in. So we have to be there to welcome him.
Wait. Is it that guy, that fine guy that you showed me his picture? That one that studied in Amsterdam, culinary school?
He's the one, no. He's coming today.
How far now? Do you know if he's single? Ready to mingle?
How am I supposed to know if he's single or not? I don't even know the guy. How for you?
You don't even know the guy. So he did not do anything, any research on him. Are you sure?
You think I'm a stalker like you?
Anyway, Sha, when you get to work, help me ask him if he is single, okay? And when he answers you, tell him that you have a very single, beautiful friend that is ready to mingle. That is me.
Oh God. So, Uche, you want me to go to work, see this guy for the first time, and tell him, hello, I have a beautiful friend who is... You don't have sense at all. Somebody I'm just seeing for the first time. I'm the one wasting time here with you. I can go work. Let me get your time.
Ask him now. Simple question. Are you single or not?
When you see him, you ask him yourself.
I know she will still ask.
As we all know, we have our new head of chef resuming with us today. He's a first class holder in Amsterdam, and it was pretty difficult getting him to work here with us. He's a master of his craft. So I would like us to make working with him very, very easy, okay? I repeat, no single one of you should make working difficult for my Troy. Understood? Any question? Oh, never mind. I retract my word.
I really apologize for the lateness. Actually, I wasn't expecting the traffic I met on my way coming here.
Fine.
Besides, I have to quickly change into this.
Just listen to him speak. It's fine. It's fine. You're welcome. And you look good.
Thank you.
So, everyone, this is Troy Anthony. You're welcome.
Thank you. I really look forward to a wonderful working experience with every one of you.
Aww.
You must be joking.
Nancy, right?
Yes,
It's so much about you.
I hope they were nice things.
Beautiful.
Oh,
Now what for you?
Now what for you too?
Now what for you?
Now what for you too?
it's a pleasure.
I'll see you later. Enjoy your mind.
Pleasure to meet
Bye-bye.
you.
I know what you feel to see for this girl. Hey! The woo.
I'm not ready. I'm sorry.
It's okay. All right. I will wait. I'll wait.
You don't seem to talk much.
Why would you say that?
Just an observation.
Wrong observation. I speak when needed.
Noted.
Are you perhaps single?
Depends on who's asking.
I see.
I am single.
Great.
You?
I'm not single. Why you can't rush up?
Wait. Were you really serious about what you told me?
About him being single? Mm-hmm. Yes, I asked him and he said he's single. Hey, why is your body sweating you? What's all this excitement for?
Because I'm about to land myself a man. A man, a fine one at that.
You never change.
How much be food for that your restaurant?
Well, it depends on what you're ordering. Now,
And you're not supposed to pass 50,000 naira.
wait.
You don't tell me it's what I'm thinking. You want to go and waste 50K because of a man.
It is not waste.
A man that may not even notice you.
I said this is not waste.
Hey.
This is called investment. Investment for my future.
Who do you this thing?
Nothing do. Nobody do me anything. And why will you not look at me as hot as I am?
Invest wisely, oh. No say I no tell you.
So when go tomorrow, I will leave work. I'm supposed to do something, but I will leave it.
You're giving them investor vibes.
So here is one of our best recipe, which I am certain you're going to enjoy. Yes, it's a combination of the omelets, but there's a way we sourced it that makes it stand out amongst the rest. So then for the other components here.
Chef Troll. Are you okay?
Apologies, ma'am. So, as I was saying before, it's a combination of carrots, bell pepper, and there's just some.
Hey, buddy, what's going on? Your boy is good. Oh wow, for real? Okay. I'm going to do that right away. Wow. I love you too.
The contract came?
Yes, man.
Are you serious?
Yes, man. It's
Wow! Congrats, my man.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
This is huge.
I know, right? I know.
Oh boy. We need to celebrate this, boy.
We have to. We should.
Oh, my flight. Start the car. Let's go. Start the car. Let's go.
Wahala.
When I come back, I
no
need
wahala,
to celebrate
no
this.
wahala.
Yeah, so you said it's in 2 days. Okay, let me just write that down. Yeah, so how many people are we looking at, please? 20 people. Of course, that's fine. 20 is just fine. Yeah. How long is the duration? I'd suggest 4 hours. What do you think? Okay, 20 people, 4 hours. Yeah. May I ask what kind of meals you're looking at? Are we going local, continental? You want a bit of both? Okay, that's fine. That's fine by me. So we'd have three square meals. How about I make some finger foods alongside? Yeah, they're usually very great for yacht parties. Mm-hmm. No, I promise you'd love them. Finger foods. Okay. All right, that's fine. I'll just forward an invoice so that we can proceed. Okay. No, that would not be a problem at all. Yes? All right then. Yes, I'll do that. Bye.
Your call long go since.
My sister, you can say that again. Oh. They were so indecisive.
But you guys have sure concluded.
Yes, so we're looking at 20 people.
20 people.
20 people, babe.
That's a lot.
As in...
Wow. This your boss really likes you. Even though she acts like a psycho sometimes.
I know, right? I'm so happy.
You need to be happy because 20 people, yacht party. Congrats, girl. I'm happy for you.
Thank you, my love. Although I have a lot of preparation to do. It's just 2 days away.
I trust you now. You can always handle it.
You go help me, Abby? You go help me now.
You go share the money with me.
You go help me.
Share the money with me. I go help you.
What are you watching? Do I like this girl, eh?
Well, I'm trying to work on conclude this and send to that.
Mercy, hurry! Come in!
Sorry, babe, I was looking for my card.
Hi!
Hi.
Troy.
Yeah, Mercy.
What are you doing here? Wait, is there a problem? How did you even find my house?
Hi.
Hi.
So, which am I meant to answer first? Too many questions. Okay, I'll start with probably the easy one. There is no problem. And secondly, I think I followed you. I saw you somewhere around. So I discovered that you live here just next door. Yes, I live in the next building. So we're neighbors in the same estate.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's such a small world.
Indeed, it's a small world. Yeah, so I see you guys are headed somewhere.
Yes. Yes, we are headed to the mini-mart.
Oh, the mini-mart.
Grocery shopping.
Yes. Then, of course, I should drop you ladies off.
Is today your off day too?
Yeah. So,
No,
should I drop you off?
Please, you can drop us off. We're very cool with it.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Shall we?
Yeah.
Sure.
You or maybe
No,
for...
you go.
Okay.
Joey, my man. How far? Are you trying to surprise me or what? For real? Oh yeah, they come. I dey house. Alright, man. Safe. Nice one. Joey, my man.
Thank you so much.
Hey, come on, it's nothing.
I like you. I said, I like you.
Thank you. Yeah.
So, am I going to see you again?
Yeah, sure.
Are you sure I'm going to see you again?
Okay, yeah, sure. I'll be on my way, yeah.
Take this.
Okay.
Thank you very much,
Yeah,
Troy.
bye-bye.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye.
Bye. Bye.
What is wrong with you? At least allow the guy make the first move.
I don't understand. Where was it written that a man must be the first to make a move?
Oh, no, I can't deal. You were so embarrassing. My God.
What's wrong? What do you mean by I'm so embarrassing? I simply shop my shop. I shop my shop. Simple.
Come to bed.
Babe, I'm coming.
You know it's late already and you have to be up tomorrow.
I'm coming.
Baby, just come already.
Babe. Okay.
Yes, finally.
Are you happy now?
Very happy.
No, you wouldn't allow me to wipe my makeup off. Look at you.
So how long are you going for?
Just 1 week.
1 week? That's a really long time.
Babe, it's not. Come on.
No, what would I be doing it for 1 week while you're gone? I'll be so...
You will be working. Okay? Besides, by this time next Saturday, I'll be with you.
Maybe just stay now. I'll pay whatever they're paying.
No. You know I love to work.
All right, fine.
Don't worry, I'll be back soon.
Okay,
I'll be back soon.
Okay.
What?
Kiss me.
Kiss you? How much will you give me?
I told you to leave your work and come. Sit down.
Bribe me.
All right, come on, I'll bribe you. Are you sure?
I trust you.
Baby. Why do you look surprised? Are you not happy seeing me?
I'm sorry, I was not expecting you.
So I should leave?
No, come on. You want to leave your body.
Hey, I've missed you so much. So I couldn't do it again. I took the next available flight.
I miss you too. Please, come. Sit down. Don't worry, leave that. Just
okay.
leave. Sit down. So,
Food, Rosie. No food for house.
Mommy, I have been eating. Everything is fine. Okay, I am good.
You sure?
I'm very sure.
Hey.
So how's work? Did you take your leave?
Leave. Mba. I tell them, say, I will come up for 3 days.
Okay. That's good.
Yes.
That's very good.
Hi. Are you from?
Let me just go downstairs and prepare your meal, your special favorite meal.
Hey.
Yes.
Hi. I can't wait to eat your food again, no. Ima no te go. Hi. Can't wait to taste your food again, no. Fine man, no. Hi. Hi, Nancy. Hi. 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 You can normally chango kemo. Any picture, yeah? Where is my own? I was supposed to here now. I'm going to husband and wife. Come match, yeah? I think your picture. My picture there here before. Oh, you bum! I'm coming, no. Hey. Hello. Oh, you bum!
Hiya.
Hi.
My Troy, how are you doing?
I'm good.
I hope you're learning and paying attention. In case you're having it in your mind that you look at you specially, don't deceive yourself, okay? And mind you, she's here for my sister, so take your eyes off. Troy, someone is here to see you.
Someone? Who?
Yeah. I don't know her name, but I've seen her around before.
Oh.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Get back to work.
I'll be right there, yeah. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna leave this. Okay, take care of it, please. Don't let it go back. Hold this top very well because it tilts in a particular way. Yeah, I'll be right back. Sorry, excuse me. Please, neatness, please. You know, our customers don't like that. Thank you. Hi.
Hi, Troy.
So, I presume you're the one looking for me.
Oh yes, it's me. How have you been?
I've been pretty well. And you?
I've been good.
So, no work today?
I work remotely.
Interesting. So, do you need me to get you anything?
Yes. I need you to get me your best dish. The most expensive one at that.
Are you sure about that?
Am I sure?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I'm sure.
Okay, I'll get to it straight away.
Okay.
Yeah. Right back.
Okay. Ooh, this guy is so fine. That's so cool.
Hello, Mom.
Yeah?
Your bill.
Why are you rushing me? Won't you let me finish eating?
Apologies, Mom.
Apologies, man. Give me the bill. Rushing me as if I'm going to run with your money.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Whose bill is this?
Yours, Mom.
My own bill?
Yeah.
What did I eat?
Okay, Ma. You had spaghetti bolognese, a side of rice, addings of shrimps, and then a bottle of champagne.
The one person was ordering all this thing, and you did not even bother to tell me to stop. Did you not see that I was the only one who came here?
Sorry, Mom.
Please, how do I pay?
We have a POS machine.
Bring it.
Thank you, Mom.
Jehovah. 250,000 naira.
Is there, Mom?
You're not even waste time.
Sorry, Mom.
Take it now. Take this thing.
Sorry, Mom. Up here, Mom. This is it. Thank you, Mom. It would be nice to see you some other time, Mom. Thank you.
Uche, see your life. Shay, you want to chase man. You left your house, left work, and you came to chase man. You have chased the man now. Now you have buy 250,000 naira drink. Food that's not sweet.
Hi. Baby.
Hey, baby.
Where are you rushing to?
There's an emergency at work and I need to get there immediately.
Emergency?
Yeah.
I hope it's not life-threatening.
Well, it could be if I don't get there immediately. I'll see you later.
Love
you.
I love you too. I love you too. Wait. Who be you? What you do for my heart? Hold on, no. You carry key, you break it.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to startle you. I just wanted to surprise. I'm sorry. My name is Mercy.
Mercy?
Yes, Mercy.
Mercy. Mercy?
You must be the new maid Philip hired.
Hey! Chineke me. Awesome new maid. Me new maid. Me new maid! For your information, I be Philip's wife. Yes. So what are you doing in my house? What do you find my husband for? And they follow you, they talk and see, they look me. What's they happen now?
I'm so sorry. Did you say you're Philip's?
Yes, I know. Philip, great grandmother. Oh, they leave my house now. Until they leave before I bust this. They leave my banner blue nash. They leave my house. With a banner blue nash. Leave my house. Leave my house before I kick you out. Hey! What's a new maid? I look like new maid. What's a new maid? No. Fine man, no. Or your husband. They won't take her. Where my phone? How? They won't collect her from me.
Hey, baby.
Hi.
Hey.
Baby.
Yes.
You are back.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, baby. There is one girl that came here today. She say her name is Mercy. She one girl with big bum bum. One wayward girl like that with light clothes. Can you imagine? I don't even know how she entered house. She said she came to surprise you. Today now your birthday.
She's my assistant. She's one of my workers. It must have been a mix-up somewhere, you know.
Hey, Nancy Fork up. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm sorry. I insulted her.
No,
I didn't know she's your co-worker.
It's okay.
Sorry. I made food though. I made food.
No, it's fine.
As in it's fine. No, no. I mean, I'm coming. Just go and bath. I'm coming.
Okay.
Hey, fine man. I'm coming.
So this man is married. He's really married and he didn't care to tell you. I mean, what sort of deceit is this? I mean, he could have just come clean to you. Babes date married men every day. It's normal, like, babes are dating married men. He could have just come clean to you so you'd be the one to make that decision for yourself. Ha! Babe, I beg. It's okay, I beg. Hey, you've been crying since. I beg, just calm down. Ah, God. I'm sorry. Baby. So sorry. It's okay. It's okay. You're not a fool. Don't say that. You're not a fool. You didn't know. It's okay. Babe, it's okay. It's okay, beg. Babe, it's okay. It's okay. You're going to make me cry. Who's knocking like that? Who's that? What are you doing here?
I need to see Mercy.
Why? So you can make her cry more or cause more damage?
At least, let me just see her and explain things myself. Please. Mercy. I'm sorry.
What exactly are you sorry about? What? Huh?
For not telling you. I'm sorry.
Philip, did you intentionally hide it from me?
No, I didn't hide it from you. You just didn't ask.
Can you hear yourself speak? I just didn't ask. So Philip, I have to ask you before you tell me you were married? You profess love to me as though you were a single guy. Philip, you said I could trust you. You said you loved me. You looked me in the eyes and you lied to me.
I didn't lie to you. I didn't lie to you. I love you. I didn't lie about that. See, I didn't lie to you. Okay? I just didn't tell you about my marital status. The same way you didn't tell me that you have a child. Okay, there, I've said it. I know.
It's definitely something you can do.
I don't walk around with cash like that. Okay, all my money is in cryptocurrency and treasure bills and things like that. Look, are you in or are you out?
I'm using it.
How won't it start now? Welcome to my humble abode, my mansion, skyscraper.
Pause the film for me.
Now, edifice, they call this one. Edifice, how they call our Peace out.
Baby.
Okay. Fine.
Keep that. I was asking you give me some sugar.
I am you the
I was asking you give me sugar, baby. Am I? Am I?
Sorry. Sorry.
I'll miss you.
I miss you too, babe.
See, take care of yourself for me.
I will, buddy. I will.
Eat well, oh. Stop eating that noodles, so. Eat apple.
Yes, mommy.
The apple in the yard.
Yes, mommy.
Eat well.
I will eat. I will eat. And you take good care of yourself for me too, girl.
I will.
Okay. Come.
Don't allow those wayward girls to take you away from you.
Babe, you need to eat something. At least just eat something, even if it's just a little.
I'm not hungry.
So what's the plan now? You want to kill yourself or starve yourself to death because a man left you? Why are you making a mess out of yourself? Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. I'm sorry. Babe, I'm sorry.
Hi.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Are you here to see me or?
Messy actually.
Oh. Okay. Make yourself comfortable while I call her for you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Troy.
Hi, Messy. I heard you were sick.
Yes, I was, but I'm good now.
Oh, great relief. Which means I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, definitely.
Awesome.
You smell really good.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
So I decided to just come check in on you and you ladies actually to see how you're doing. Yep. And I'll come pick you up tomorrow morning when leaving for work.
Oh no, you don't have to stress yourself. I am...
Hey, come on, Messy. I insist. Please.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, so it's good night. Then I'll see you ladies around. Yeah.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank you so much for everything.
Yeah, sure. Come on. My pleasure. Look after yourself, okay?
I will.
What about me?
You'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah, bye. See you tomorrow morning.
Bye-bye. This guy is so sexy.
Babe, see as you did do. Because of man.
I don't understand.
I pity you.
Did you not see his buttocks?
Ew!
Oh, if I catch that guy. Oh.
Buttocks, of all the things to notice is buttocks.
Ew! Say you do not see it.
Ah.
So juicy. So juicy. That guy is so sexy.
Hey! So this is it, huh? You're leaving me for this common cook, this boy.
Beg your pardon, watch your mouth.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Philip, what are you doing here?
Babe.
Don't you ever babe me. Whatever we had is over. We are done.
Babe, listen. Please. It can't be over. Remember everything we shared. You can't just end everything over something so small. Come on.
So small. You call being married and hiding it from me small? You're sick and delusional. But you know what? Just get out of my house. I said get out!
You heard her.
You want me to throw you out? Get him out of my house!
This is way out, actually. You can use the door behind you. Thank you. So how was it when you served you breakfast? Or when you discovered he was cheating?
Please, all you men are the same.
Excuse me, I take exception to that. I am Chef Troy. So tell me, I'm curious to know, what's your favorite moment?
My favorite moment?
Are you serious? So what has been your most awkward moment as a chef?
Well, bro, I have nothing to say about that.
Are you serious? So what has been your most terrible moment in the kitchen like?
There was a time I was cooking and I thought it was salt I put into the food, but it was sugar.
Are you kidding me?
I'm serious.
You know you didn't do that.
I'm serious.
You didn't do that. And that was the thing, so you didn't. Okay, let me confess. Mine was I boiled lemon in a jug, boiling kettle. So I forgot that actually there was a lemon juice inside, and I was making jollof rice. I poured the water from me, then it became lemon jollof rice.
That's not true.
I'm serious.
What?
I'm serious. Yes. It's been amazing actually with you. Yeah, I'm doing all the things, and you're amazing.
Huh? You're trying to make it black girl.
I cannot believe that happened.
Yeah.
Troy, you need to learn how to respect yourself in public.
Stop it.
Because you caused it. You asked me why I'm laughing. You know you're tall. Why would you do it? Oh, leave me. Okay, please leave me. Stop tapping her. Oh, stop. What do you have to do? Go to my house. Yes. Yes, bro.
I'll talk to you as well.
Not talk to me.
You gotta try.
Stop, I'm very teaching.
Oh,
Stop. Go!
Bye.
Babes, food is ready.
I'm not hungry.
Let's go and eat, Joe.
I said I am not hungry.
Babes, since when did you start watching your weight? Stop this too. Let's go and
I said I'm not hungry now. Is it by force to eat? I am not hungry.
Okay. Anyways, when you're ready, you know where the food is. So babe, I've been having issues with picking one of these outfits for babe. Uche, what is wrong with you? What's with this nasty attitude you've been giving for the past how many days? I've been trying to talk to you, but you keep ignoring me. What is it? Still. Stop it. What's the problem?
Mercy.
Yes?
Can you just leave me alone?
Why?
Just leave me alone. Read the room and leave me alone. Sure, you've collected him now. You've collected my investment. A guy that I've been suffering to secure investment. I've been strategizing, just trying to secure. You collected him just like that. I came to your restaurant and I spent 250,000 naira. 250,000 naira ordering things just to impress him. I've been stalking him, following him up and down. But you just came and you diverted my investment to yourself. You should be happy now. I clap for you. Leave me alone.
No. You know, I am so disappointed in you, Uche. To think that I, Mercy, will show interest in a man that I know that you have clearly told me that you're in love with is beyond me. Like, what do you take me for? Oh no, I'm so disappointed. Cannot believe this.
Hi. Can I talk to you? Mercy. I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. I just don't know why I acted the way that I did. I'm really sorry. We've come such a long way for me to be acting the way that I did. I just came to tell you that if you like him, you can have him.
What? No. Uche, come off it. I'm just getting off from one relationship and you're asking me if I'm liking another man. Besides, that's your man. And you have your eyes on him, so no. I don't like him in that way, please.
We both know he doesn't like me.
Hey. Any man would like you. You are such a sweet, beautiful soul.
Thank you for that. But still, you both can really be together if you like yourselves.
Would you please just stop it, please? It's barely 4 days after my breakup and you're expecting me to like somebody else? It's not possible. It doesn't work like that.
But Philip is out of the picture. Or is he not? Wait. Don't tell me you still love him.
I mean,
Look at me. Is it possible for me to unlove him in just one day? Is it?
I understand. I do understand, and it's fine. I'm sure you'll be fine. And I'm always going to be here for you. Always.
You're so stubborn. But thank you for being such an amazing friend.
Thank you too for being such an amazing friend.
So now you eat my food, Abby. Hooks. Good job. You were carrying face for me because of man.
It's okay, it's okay.
Man. Me. Philip, what do you want this time?
I love you. I love you a lot. I love you so much. I can't afford to lose you. I need you in my life. I need you. I don't want to lose you. Please. I'm begging you. Please.
What do you want me to remain with you as? Are you going to marry me as a second wife? Or are you going to divorce your wife for me? You want me to remain your side chick forever? Is that it? Say something. Which do you want me to do? Which are you going to do? You know who I pity? Your wife.
Yes.
I feel so sorry for her.
Yes, please. Just
don't touch me. You know what?
Mercy, please. That was a mistake. Okay, please.
Can you just go home? Go home to your wife.
I'm so proud of you. Did what?
Try.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
I didn't know you were coming.
A pleasant surprise, I believe. You look good.
Thank you. You don't look bad yourself.
Thank you. I didn't know you're good at flattery.
Oh, please. You want to sit?
Do you want to sit?
I mean, whatever you want is fine.
Whatever I want. Are you going to give me what I want?
Troy,
Can I start with a hug?
A hug?
Yes. Please.
Okay.
So, how about I take you out? Let's go have some fun, spoil you, ice cream movies, the beach, all expenses on me.
Not a bad idea.
Because you deserve to be spoiled.
Okay, I could do some ice cream. Why not?
Okay, that's a yes.
Yes. It's a yes.
So, well, waiting for.
Don't worry. Okay, you got it. Uche!
Uche will be fine. Uche, see ya!